Thank you once again for tuning in to yet another video. Here we're going to be removing the stock Harley-Davidson air filter. Super easy, anybody can do this. All you need is an Allen key and a ratchet, and that's pretty much it. Takes about 5 minutes. And just look at this, very easy, very simple. Just kind of follow these quick little clips, and there are many reasons why you would want to do this. Your engine will benefit, it'll breathe better, and it's all a part of the, I guess, the Harley tax, the stage 1. Yes, stage 1 consists of the intake, exhaust, and maybe the tuner, but let me tell you guys, your engine will benefit extremely by having the tuner, and you will notice a huge difference. Maybe 10-20% if I had to put a percentage. Okay, and highly recommended for stage 1. And this is pretty much it. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer just about everything. Thank you for watching. You guys have a good day or night or wherever you guys are at. Later.